Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs for social media content planning. It's super easy and efficient, trust me. First, open up Google Docs and create a new document. This will be your content calendar. Next, create a table with columns for the date, content type, caption, and any other relevant information you want to include. Now, let's start planning your content. In the date column, add the dates you want to post your content. In the content type column, specify whether it's a photo, video, or maybe a blog post. This will help you stay organized and consistent. Moving on to the caption column, here's where you can jot down your ideas for catchy captions or hashtags. This will save you time when you're actually posting your content. But wait, there's more. Google Docs also allows you to collaborate with others. Simply click on the Share button and invite your team members to edit the document. This way, everyone can contribute their ideas and suggestions. And that's it. With Google Docs, you can easily plan and organize your social media content. It's a game changer, especially if you're working with a team. So give it a try and let me know how it goes. Happy content planning!